Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling a common challenge that plant lovers face. What to do when your indoor plants just don't seem to thrive. Don't worry, I've got you covered, and in this video we will explore the reasons behind this and, most importantly, practical steps to bring your plants back to life. If you love plant care tips like this, make sure to give this video a thumb up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. Let's jump straight in and figure out what's stopping your plant from thriving and what you can do to turn things around. First, let's identify the causes. There are 5 main reasons. First, like a purple light, with the symptom leaves turning pale, falling off, or plants growing tall and leggy but weak. You know, plants need light to photosynthesize. Different plants require different light conditions. For instance, pothos thrive in indirect light, but succulent and cacti love bright direct light. So how to fix? You should place your plant near a window or an area with natural light. Use grow light if the natural light is insufficient. Another tip: rotate your plants occasionally to ensure even growth on all sides. Number 2, watering issues. With symptom, yellow or rotting leaves because of overwatering, or dry, creepy leaves because of underwatering. You know, a plant has its own water needs. For example, succulents and cacti can tolerate dry need, but ivy plants prefer consistently moist soil. So how to fix it? You check the soil before watering by insert your finger about 1 to 2 inches deeper into the soil. If it's still moist, skip watering. Water in the morning to prevent mold or fungal growth. 3. Poor soil quality. With symptom compact, hard soil that doesn't drain well or lacks nutrients. Over time, soils can lose nutrients or become too dense, making it hard to roots to grow. So to fix it, you just repot your plant every 6 to 12 months with fresh, nutrient-rich soil. You should choose the right soil for your plant type, like well-draining soil for succulent and cacti, moisture retentive soil for tropical plants. Number 4, lack of nutrients. With symptom stunted growth, small or discolored leaves. Plants need essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to grow. To fix it, use organic fertilizers or balanced NPK fertilizer diluted in water. Fertilize more during spring and summer when plants are actively growing. Number 5, unfavorable environment. With symptoms, browning leaf age, leaf drops, or lack of new growth. You know, low humidity or fluctuating temperature can stress plants. To fix it, just use a humidifier or mist your plants lightly to maintain humidity. Keep plants away from dark windows or heating vents where temperatures can vary. So talk about actionable steps. Conduct a full plant checkup. Gently remove the plant from each pot and inspect the roots. If healthy roots look white and firm, unhealthy roots look brown and mossy. Trim these away. Shake the leaves and stem or shake the pest or disease, like brown spots or tiny insects. Cut away yellow or dead leaves to allow the plant to focus its energy on healthy growth. Use sharp, clean scissors and cut at 45-degree angle for the best result. Repot or refresh the soil. Like if your plant outgrown in its pot, move it to a pot about 20% larger with drainage holes. Create a soil mix that matches your plant needs. For example, make potting soil with fertilizer or sand for better drainage. About feed your plants. Do not leave with fertilizer to 1/10 the recommended strength to avoid over-fertilizing. Apply the fertilizer around the edge of the pot, not direct on the roots. Adjust light and watering schedules. Move your plant to a spot with optimal lighting conditions. Set a consistent watering schedule. For example, once a week for low-water plants, 2 to 3 times a week for those needing more moisture. So, we have covered 5 main reasons why your plants might not be thriving. First, insufficient light. Second, watering issues. Third, poor soil. 4, lack of nutrients. And 5, an unsuitable environment. And now you know how to address each of these challenges. Remember, plants need time to recover and adjust. So don't get discouraged if you don't see immediately results. Consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends who love plants. Also, drop a comment below if you have any question or want me to cover other plant care topics. Thanks so much for watching. Wishing you all happy, healthy plants, and I will see you in the next video.